Damn. Okay. Ho! I ain't talking about my ex-girlfriend, but hello everyone, JBX back here with another reaction.
You got an ex-girlfriend.
Nigga, I'll kill you. I don't even know what you just said, but I'll kill you.
An ex-girlfriend? To your ex-girlfriend?
Yeah. Let me get in a lifesaver.
Murder.
It won't come out. Whoa, boss, no D.
Oh my God.
Anyways,
No, it's hot.
this gotta be the most wildest intro ever. What's up, guys? JBX here, back here with another reaction. Nigga, shut up!
I love that. Go ahead and do your thing.
Alright, so yeah, pretty much. I swear to God, I haven't been around for a freaking while because I've been busy lately, so we're gonna be reacting to a Christmas YTP from Glider. SML. You motherfucker! Bro, I'll kill you!
Kill him.
I quit. I did that. I swear to God, I quit. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Kill him.
Anyways, let's just get started. JBX back in.
Come on, Marvin. We're all going to the beach.
Yes! Wait, why he take off his shirt? Wait, what did he say?
Come on, Marvin.
Why he take off his shirt
beach.
though?
Just wait a minute. Hey, Jeffy's nuts! Yeah! I kind of wish I get to see snow for the first time.
Poor Joseph.
Junior's you okay? Get wrecked, kid! How many tennis balls you think I can fit in my booty hole? 69. 69. Booty hole.
Okay, that was extremely random.
A storm is hitting us right now, so stay inside. I just came. What the fuck? Joy to the world, it's a thing to do. But the world does not revolve around you. Don't be a jerk. It's Christmas. Oh, Jeffy frustrates me so much. I finally get a day to just sit back.
Damn, you just put my eyebrows
How
up.
many tennis balls?
Damn, and I'm doing a reaction.
I didn't expect you to turn that quick. My bad, bro. Here, bro. Don't keep my
I got my own candy, nigga.
I didn't expect you.
Bro, kids. I'm gonna be outside real quick. I swear I can never have kids, bro.
Think I can fit in my booty hole. Guys, you want to have a snowball fight? Yes! It feels good. Breaking news. There's a 100% chance of boring. Come on, guys, let's go. Snowball boring.
Of course.
Saxophone operator. Yes! I'm starting to think Junior's not coming. Have you seen Jeffy? I don't know. Where's Jeffy? I kind of wish I get to see snow for the first time. That would really make my Christmas dream come true. I kind of wish. What's Jeffy doing? Jeffy! Where's Jeffy? How many tennis balls you think I can fit in my booty hole? 69. 69. I kind of wish.
Jeffy, don't do it. No!
Marvin, why are you biting your pee-pee?
What? Jeffy, move! Today's weather forecast is a sunny, no-cloud day. Guys, it's a nice day outside. Let's go swimming.
Come on, Marvin. We're all going to the beach.
Yes! Yeah! Someone edited penis right here.
No, where's the no D?
Hey, yo, excuse me, brother.
Where's the no D? That was so gay. Oh, fuck. Bro. Alright, well. Now his ass is gone. I can get back inside. Alright. I hate kids. Well, not all of them, but just some of them. Like, they just do the most. But when it comes to maturity, you just gotta like go. Yeah. What's the thing that fathers say nowadays? Hit the road, let it flow. So yeah. Hit the low, let it flow. So yeah, just keep it simple. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Share with friends and family because I know you want to, and it will really help a lot. It means a lot. Really. Appreciate it. Props. Alright, see you later, Universals. JBX signing out. Hit the low, let it flow.